Let's talk about how to maximize your opportunities to make more money with Care. There's a ton of work available on Care and tons of ways to make it fit your schedule. Part-time and smaller recurring jobs are great, but some families are looking for more consistent nannies on a full-time basis, while others just need someone for the occasional date night. The more flexible and responsive you are, the more opportunities you'll have to earn. 23% of jobs are same-day requests. Those one-time jobs, by the way, are especially good for filling gaps in your schedule. When a booking request comes in, make sure to respond quickly. That ups your chances of getting the job, of course, but it also makes you more likely to get future booking requests. Timing is also important. For example, childcare jobs peak in late summer, whereas pet care jobs peak May through July. Speaking of different types of work, are you a great babysitter who also loves walking dogs? Do you have experience caring for seniors or doing housekeeping? There are so many kinds of work available on Care, and the more you branch out into all your skill sets, the more chances you'll have to make money. Go get 'em!